Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your June 2021 month's predictions and we will see what are the guidance messages towards you for this month. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And we will see your love energies in this reading, and we will see your past, present and future energies. Okay, so let's get started for my Leos for June 2021 predictions, monthly predictions for my Leos. What is going to happen? Okay. And if you want to book an appointment with me, you can go and check out my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. You can DM me over there. The link is given in the description box below. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Eight of Cups. This is strong overall energy with the Eight of Cups. Is telling us that, you know, it's time to move on from a situation which is no longer serving you at all. Yeah. You might be going for something like, you know, more materialistic in life, because all your emotions were wasted in a situation. When we keep on giving and giving emotions to a situation, and it's like people are trying to harm you, and you are still working on a situation like that. You are sending all the emotions to a person. You are giving everything, you know, that situation. See how this person is like, there are two people standing over here and a third person is here, and this person is leaving that situation. You know, this can be a cheating situation where your love was no longer and was encouraged, and there was no longer the person used to love you anymore the way you used to. You know, you both used to love each other, and that is the situation which is coming up. So let's see why the Eight of Cups energies are here. Three of Swords, strong disheartened energy, strong heartbreak energies with the Two of Wands. There is somebody in your life, it can be you or your person. There's someone who is breaking the heart of someone else, or already have broken the heart of someone, and is going towards something which is fulfilling more, you know, in terms of strong light, we can say, in terms of strong physical energies, whatever this is. But there's a person who was confused between two people. That is a strong confusion energies which are coming up, and that is why it's like you are moving on and you do not want to look back at that situation anymore. You are really happy wherever you are, although it is costing you like your life to go from that situation, but you cannot stay in that situation at least. So in the past we have Three of Pentacles, the Tower and the Seven of Cups. It looks to me that you tried to work out things. It looks to me like that, you know, collaboration. It was like you tried to mend the things, that let's work together, let's be with each other, we can fix things. But it does not seem that the things were fixed, because it was only you who wanted to fix. But what was that the other person also wanted to fix that situation? I don't think so. They were finding more opportunities, you know. They were like, I'm into more other situations, I'm more in other stuff. I do not want to mend things with you. No, not at all. So let's see why the Three of Pentacles is here in the past situation. Strong Hierophant energies. You might have been married to this person, and there is strong energies of not getting together, like you know, different thoughts, different processes, different opinions. That is what is coming. But you were ready to collaborate, you were ready to understand and compromise this person, that I can work out if you are letting me in. If you want also, we can work out together. Why the Tower is here? Ten of Pentacles with the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, strong marriage energies are here. It was a situation where you actually felt that, wow, everything is so happy, you know, we are together. It was like we will grow up together as well. but it doesn't seems like that. Hmm. This old person, this person, whosoever you are dealing with, is like very stubborn in their actions, that if I am not ready, I'm adamant. If I am not going forward, I will not with you, I do not want. No, it's like that. Why the Seven of Cups is in past situation? Ten of Wands. It started becoming very heavy for you to understand, to accept the situation, because you always thought that this person was the loved one of your life, and you always found that, you know, strong magical energies with this person, that wow, this person will be mine forever. But now they are working for something else, or they might be involved in some other situations like their career or something, or there's some other person as well. Strong third party energies are also coming up, that they might have broken your heart for someone else here, because they do not find the relationship same as you always wanted. You always have seen the person, they are changed now. And in the present energies, we have Ace of Swords, King of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. You want to clear out stuff. I think you are actually talking to them, because it's not very easy for you to just go away just like that. You want to communicate, you want to clear out stuff, and you want to just, let's have a, you know, head to head talk. It's like not heart to heart, it's head to head. Okay, let's see why this Ace of Swords is here. Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so we have more, so many cards. Eight of Cups and the Five of Wands. Okay, yeah, strong clarifications are needed, but I see that whosoever this person is, they are standing up for themselves. I feel that it's more like your energies. If you want to clarify, you do not want to clarify that let's get back together. You want to clarify like, I am standing up. You are standing up for yourself. You believe yourself, because you know that you are very strong and you are more mature than this person. You wanted to start a new beginning. I don't think that with this person anymore, because you are into a very strong energetic zone with the Knight of Cups, with the Knight of Wands. You want to move on with or without this person, it doesn't matter, and you are clearly moving on over here, Leos. Strong moving on energies of yours. You're a very strong person, Leos, very strong. Okay, so King of Swords. Why the King of Swords energies are here? Yeah, the time is actually changing. You know, the more you actually went for this person, I feel now it's their time to come towards you. They were the ones who were always confused, like which one to choose. It's now your turn whether to choose this person or not. It's in your hands. The ball is in your court, Leos, and you can fight this, and that is why you are fighting this situation with yourself, with this person. You are not, you might be even fighting with the relatives. You know what people will talk, what people will say. You might be fighting with your parents, people around you, that this is not how it is done. You cannot end up a marriage just like that. No, but it's no. I think the more stubborn energies before your person was showing, now it's your turn to show the strong energies of being stubborn, that I am going for my happiness. If you do not want to be a part of my life, so please do not come in my life. Okay, so your energies are strong, very strong. See, High Priestess, you are trying to work on yourself. Your intuition already told you that this person is not the one, because you tried first, but they never replied you. They never wanted, they never showed you the same thing which you were showing them. So you started to work on, you started to understand that no, it cannot be fine. Nine of Swords. Now it's the time for them to cry like this, you know, crying in the nights, because you have already done that, Leos. It's not. See, King of Cups. Strong energies of, I don't know, I don't feel that this is anyone out of you too. This is a strong energies of somebody else coming up in your life. In the future, we have the Knight of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Lovers. Alright, so I feel that there is someone else who is meant for you. It's not this person who is actually meant for you. It's like together forever. It can be Gemini or Scorpio or Pisces as well. Strong water energy. Water energy is coming up. Why the Knight of Cups is here? The Chariot, Cancer energy. See, I told you, water energy, strong water energies are coming up. You might meet someone new, and just like moving on in your life, you do not have to find where this person is. You will meet them just in halfway, just in the middle of the road. You can meet this person anywhere, like sipping a coffee, and somebody might try to just talk to you, something like that. Because I don't see that. It's like you're loving more yourself than that is why people are getting attracted towards you now, and it's you who are in the competition now. People are trying to come towards you. Strong Sun. Okay, so the strong Leo energies again. It's like you are shown everywhere. Sun. What does Sun do? Sun is always, it's in the sky, and everybody is like, it's the light. When sun comes, no one can see another thing. Okay, so that is what your personality is coming up over here. What else do we have? Sorry. Nine of Cups. See, strong grateful energies that your wishes are going to be fulfilled by the universe. Do not worry. Just be working on yourself, and you will see the changes coming up in your life. Why the Two of Swords is here? Seven of Swords. So I think that this person who actually tried to cheat you they will come back, and they are already in that process of coming back, because now they see you as the Empress. They see that this is the woman, this was the woman of my life, and she was a nurturer, she was a caretaker. Okay, so you were like, I always try to give it to you, I always try to give that love to you, but that confusion is actually going away now. And the karmic cycle, the wheel of fortune, it is coming towards you now, Leos. They are coming towards you, and that is the reason, because now you are the one who is actually laughing at their faces. Why the Lovers energies are here? Queen of Swords. So you are very direct, you are very strict now, you are very good at words, and nobody is trying to talk to you, just mess up with you, because they know if you will talk to this Leo, she will or he will just they will cut us, and it's not very easy to talk to this Queen of Swords. Five of Cups. So strong regret energies from the past person. See how this person is feeling in the coming future. They are trying to connect with you, they are trying to talk to you. It's really important for you now, because the decision is in your hand, Leos, whether to talk to this person and get back, because I don't see that you might get back to this person. You can be, that is not important, but your energies are coming up really strong, Leo, that strong Leo personalities are coming up over here. So that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.